In Nigeria, environmentalists have been creating awareness about the importance of climate change, which scientists say may be linked to the worldwide emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon monoxide. In Lagos State, carbon monoxide is emitted at high levels by combustion generators, which are used daily by small and large-scale businesses due to the inadequate supply of electricity. High-rise buildings have huge generators like this one, which are in use for up to 14 hours a day. Small-scale business owners use engines that also emit high levels of carbon monoxide for power generation. It is late in the evening and Sherifat Abubakar has been selling mobile phone accessories all day with the aid of this small generator. Her baby is strapped to her back as she works.
So what about the smoke that comes from it all the time and you have children around? It's very dangerous. People are even telling me that this smoke is dangerous to human being, to human health. So, and I can see a baby on your back right now. Look at him, he's crying. I don't want to leave him here because of the smoke. I have to be carrying that back. Look at all those things. It's just suffering. Once I have to just manage, you know, you need to survive. That is it.
Lagos State government says the problem of the shortfall in electricity supply in Nigeria emanates from the corridors of the federal government, which has the responsibility of ensuring Nigerians have sufficient power supply.
Let's hope that federal government will be courageous enough to take up its responsibility, that even if it is that only one-point agenda the Jonathan Ogoh administration can tackle, we will be better for it.
However, at the break of dawn, harmful carbon monoxide emission continues. Buses, trucks and cars spread their share of the harmful gas, which medical experts say can cause cancer of the lungs. Out in the streets, some people are indifferent to the threatening level of carbon monoxide, while others say the government should protect the people from environmental hazards.
Ozone depletion, if it's going to be a, terrifying experience, it's not going to be in the immediate.
They said the environmental changes, but I think we still have a fresh air here that we should not be worried about carbon issues. Because, if you are conscious of maybe sickness, you can get sick.
I'm just sending a message to the government and the proper agency to make, I know there's a law guiding this, I think, but it has now be fully implemented. If it's fully implemented, people have then recognized the danger caused by improper channel of fumes.
However, some academicians say there is something else the government should be doing. Dr. Victor Ilechukwu is a lecturer with the University of Lagos.
There is what we call environmental impact assessment, whereby the activities of any industry that is being established within the environment, first of all, the impact report should be given to the authority concerned so that it will be a kind of a guide to monitor whatever development they are up to.
Dr. Taufik Ogumbayo is a lecturer with the Department of Chemistry in the same university. He says he's concerned about the health hazards posed by carbon monoxide in the atmosphere.
One of the impact, serious health effects it has on human being, it's this thing they call the formation of carboxyhemoglobin, because the carbon monoxide itself interacts with the hemoglobin. When it interacts with the hemoglobin, it displaces the oxygen, and therefore the hemoglobin will not be able to transport oxygen into the system again, and that's have a whole lot of other serious health risk. It's inappropriate to found industries in residential areas, and we have that everywhere in Nigeria. And I think that it's something that government really needs to act on.
In the faraway riverine Badagry community, Hungbo Emmanuel is boasting of a lucrative business selling logs, though trees help trap carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, another greenhouse gas.
The business is moving well. The business is moving. Even today, they have sold many.
Not far away from his log business is a motor park where the drivers burn old tires, a practice some will excuse by saying they are doing so to ensure rioters don't get hold of tires during violent times. But other Nigerians say they hope the government will take far-reaching improvements to the air and environment in Lagos State. From Lagos, Jacqueline Ogoh reporting.